Thirsty Thursday. Jamie, what are we making today?
Today we're making the Pink Whitney Cocktail. It's a pretty popular vodka that's come out in the last year, I guess. So you're gonna go ahead and add 2 ounces of the pink lemonade flavored vodka. I'm gonna make mine just the straight with vodka and a bit of club soda. Ross, you're gonna add a bit of grapefruit juice to yours and a little bit of
probably about 1.5 ounces. And then I'm gonna top mine with club soda as well.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put a squeeze of lime in mine as well.
So Pink Whitney comes from Barstool Sports and Spit and Chicklets, where Ryan Whitney was co-host. This was his favorite drink, vodka and lemonade, and New Amsterdam Vodka was the sponsor for the podcast, and so they came out and made this vodka, and it's just been super popular. So we thought we'd give it a go.
You know, I could have swore Pink Whitney was one of the Spice Girls.
Yeah.
Just saying. Hang on. Just about ready. Okay, I am mixed, ready to go.
All right, there you go.
Pink Whitney Cocktail. That is really good.
Yeah, a little too easy to drink.
That is really good.
There you go. Give it a shot. Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.